Hey guys, it's Irfan here again. Just wanted to show you, I just picked up this Husky 270 piece mechanics tool set from Home Depot for $99. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you what we got inside. It's got a lifetime warranty. What they say there, over $530 value if purchased separately. Well, if that's what they claim. Set includes 56 quarter-inch tools, 83 3/8-inch tools, 16.5-inch tools, 115 other tools, SAE and metric. There you go, Husky 270 piece mechanics tool set. That's what it looks like on the display. Lifetime warranty. It's got a convenient carry handle here, and also on the sides it's got one handle on the left side and another on the right side to lift it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and we'll see what we got inside. The only reason why I got this set here, today is November 30th 2021. We were in the store yesterday, the Home Depot yesterday, which was Monday the 29th, and they had a whole pallet of them, a whole stack of them, but I didn't get it then. Went back today, and the only reason why I got this one, the very last one left, was because this cardboard cover, this cardboard case was broken here, and the girl taped it up for me. Nobody wanted to buy it because of that. So I got lucky, I got the last one. I'm going to pause it here and come back in a minute. Alright, here's what it looks like without a box. It's got a nylon strap here. I'm going to take that off and then we'll open it up. You got two snaps here for the top cover, and it's got two drawers of tools. Give me a minute. Okay, I got the strap off, but I wanted to show you something. See here, the barcode that they scan when you check out. Check it out. Check this out. Right on the inside of the barcode is a security chip. So if you're in the habit of picking stuff up and just walking out of the store, guess what? I'll be seeing you on the 6 o'clock news. Alright, let's open this up. Here we go. Husky. Top cover has got the wrenches. Looks like standard and metric. Standard on the left, metric on the right. Nice chrome plated wrenches. I'll take one out and see. This one. Pretty good stuff. I mean, for $99 you get a whole case of tools. That's not bad. That's Husky, the postcard here. This is the reason why I bought this set. Lifetime warranty. And that's the Husky stuff with their 800 number. All of that. Now let's see what we got here. We got a bunch of drives. This is a 1/2-inch ratchet. Pretty heavy. Nice sturdy stuff. This one is the 3/8. This is the 1/4-inch. We got the extensions here. The 1/4-inch extension, 3/8 extension, and this is the 1/2-inch extension. What's this here? This looks like a 3/8 extension. Here you got the heck of these, or the hex Allen set. These are metric quarter inch, SAE over here and metric over here. Here we got Torx. With the Torx, they're labeled as T20. Hold on a minute, let me see who's calling. Yeah, more spam callers. Anyhow, here is the Torx, and they're labeled. Everything is labeled in here, so you could put it back in the right spot. T20, that goes here, and then T30. And all of these Torx are with the 3/8 inch drive. Goes up to T55. You can see it here. In case you guys want to buy one of these sets, I'm going to give you a nice look at what it is. This here is HW 530 seconds, whatever that is, I don't know. This one is the biggest one, HW 3/8. These are Phillips head because they're labeled PH, PH1, PH2, that's Phillips head. This is the flat one, that's FD, FD, and this one is PZ2. Don't know what that is. And here we got the 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 millimeter, that's metric sockets, and these are 1/2 inch drive. Show you. This is the 1/2 inch ratchet, and I'll take a 1/2 inch, put it in there, and it's got a release here to get it in. You press that. Hold on a minute. I'm doing a one-handed thing here. Press that, it snaps in. Can't come out until you release it again. So that's a nice handy feature. Your sockets don't fall out like your dentures. And on this side is the 1/2 inch drive, SAE from 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8. All right, so, and then you got another handle here for your stuff, for these things here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got everything here, man. And this here is a spark plug socket. This one is a 13/16, and this is a 5/8 for your spark plugs. Let's see what the bottom has. This is labeled drawer number 1 and drawer number 2. So in drawer number 1, what do you want? Husky. Wow. See, we got so many sockets here. Wow. These are metric up here, starting from this one. Actually, no. 6, 7, 8, going all the way up to 22. And here we got 9, 10, going all the way up to 18. And these two, this one here, and this is the SAE, the inches, the imperial size. And we got another bunch of sockets here. These are the 1/4 inch, for the 1/4 inch drive. These are for the 3/8 inch drive. That looks like a 3/8 inch drive as well here. These 3/8 as well. So you got everything here, man. All of these small sockets, everything you need to do your repairs. Let's see what's in the bottom drawer. Drawer number 2. These are the long sockets. This is the 1/4 inch, the long sockets. You got, like I said, you got both metric and imperial. The long sockets here. And here you got the Allen hex wrenches. This one is the imperial. This is the metric, and these are the short ones. And over here on the right you have the long one, same thing, metric and SAE. 2 sets. So you got 2 sets there, 2 sets there. You got all of these here. So it's a pretty good buy. It's a pretty good deal for $99. I'm happy with it. Put this back here. All I got to do, I think I'll just get another piece of foam to put over here so these guys don't jump out of their sockets. All right, so there you have it, folks. Nice snap there. And I did see in one of the reviews that the guy said that these drawers would come out on their own. So what he did is he drilled a hole through here, either on the outside here or on the inside, straight through here all the way down, and he used a rod, probably like maybe a 1/4 inch rod, to send it straight through to lock these from coming out. So I think I might do that as well on my toolkit. Snap is in there and snaps in there. You got your carrying handle, and on the side, like I said before, you got wow, I'll tell you, this thing is heavy, dude. It weighs quite a bit. Alright, so thank you very much for watching my video. Leave some comments, let me know what you think, right? 270-piece tool chest for $99. I think the regular price is like $200. Alright, you got everything here, and it's so convenient. You keep everything in place. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye now.